Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching a beginner balisong trick called the backhand twirl, which looks like this. To do the backhand twirl, the first thing you want to do is just grab onto the safe handle and swing it out. Take your index and you're going to put it in between the safe handle and the spine of the blade. From here, you're going to go in the opposite direction that you just did and swing the right handle back over in this direction like this. So swinging it out, take your index, putting it in between the safe handle and the spine of the blade, and swing it back over. From here, you want to grip the safe handle in between your middle finger and your index finger, and you want to take your thumb and put it on the safe handle lower than your other two fingers down here. And you're gonna just twist your hand around. And as you're twisting your hand around, you want to remove your middle finger and grab it in between your index and your thumb, and you just want to rotate your index to the side of the handle instead of in between the two handles, and then you can just throw it up like this. So to recap, grab onto the safe handle, throw the by handle out, and take your index finger and put it in between the safe handle and the spine of the blade, swing it back over, and now you have it in between your index and your middle finger. You want to take your thumb and put it on the safe handle. On the same side, you have it as your middle finger, but lower down, and you want to swing it around. As you're swinging it around, you want to move your middle finger out of the way and twist the handle to where your thumb is on the side of the handle instead of like right here in between the two handles, and you're just going to throw it up. And that's how you do the backhand twirl. Thank you all for watching. If the tutorial did help you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming uploads. And stay tuned because I'll be doing a giveaway whenever I reach 1,000 subscribers. See y'all in the next tutorial.